Huwag mong panoorin to kung ayaw mong kumita this 2025. Hi, this is Coach Rio from FCAT. And this 2025, mas pinaganda and mas pinatindi yung mga services na meron kami. We have 3 main trading services na pwede mong pagpilian and sure ako magugustuhan mo. First is yung copy trading, wherein dito kahit hindi ka pa marunong mag-trade sa Forex, wala ka pang knowledge or experience, is pwede ka nang kumita through copy trading. Dahil automated nang papasok yung trade sa account mo, which means kung ano yung trade ng account namin, is trade mo rin. Perfect itong copy trading para sa mga taong busy, full-time employee, walang time aralin yung trading sa ngayon, whether isa ka ring negosyante or estudyante, stay-at-home parent, OFW, or kahit sino ka pa na gusto magkaroon ng chance na kumita sa Forex. Now, we have 3 master accounts na pwede mong kopyahin. First is yung Rio the Great Copy Trade, wherein for this one, personal manual trades ko yung kinokopya mo. Minimum deposit dito is $200, but since marami yung nagre-request sa $100 na minimum capital, i-extend ko siya hanggang end of March. Dito I'm trading gold versus dollar and ang target gain ko is 5% per day. Meaning, sa $100 na capital is pwede kang kumita ng $5 per day. Multiply mo siya sa 20 days, it will give you a $100 profit in 1 month. Given na na-hit natin ang daily target. Meron na itong profit share na 30-70 wherein 70% ng profit sa copiers na pupunta and 30% naman sa master trader. Currently, ito na yung kanyang monthly gain. For January is we have 137% return and for this month, 49.61%. You may visit riothegreat.com for more info. Second account na pwede mo i-copy is si Super FCAT Algo. Dito ang tinatrade is EURUSD and GBPUSD, wherein ang nagtitrade dito is yung ating 4-year back-tested na algo or yung ating Forex robot. Automated yung strategy dito and this one, it is being supervised by a manual trader. Minimum capital dito is only $100 and here, wala tayong profit share, which means 100% ng profit sa copiers na pupunta. Currently, ang gain natin for this month is nasa 46.25% na. You may also visit fcatofficial.com for more info kung paano mo pwedeng i-copy ito. Third account na pwede mo i-copy trade is FCAT Kryptonite, wherein here, we are trading BTC-USD and trading siya mula Monday to Sunday, literal 24/7. If you like copy trading this account, you can start with $250 as its minimum capital. Now, for those na gusto kumita sa crypto but medyo hindi pa kaya yung $250, what you can do is just take our signals with a minimum deposit of $100 only. Ibig sabihin, you will be joining our exclusive Telegram group wherein magkakaroon ka ng access sa mga trades ng FCAT Kryptonite. Kung ano yung trade ng FCAT Kryptonite is ilalagay namin sa GC at ikaw na lang ang bahala mag-enter manually or mag-take ng buy and sell signal. So the only difference is pag copy trading, syempre automated na sa part mo and then hindi siya automated if magte-take ka naman ng signal. So yan yung mga master trader accounts na pwede mong kopyahin at pagpilian and syempre depende na rin sa'yo kung magkano yung kaya mong ilabas, ano yung risk appetite na meron ka or kung gusto mo Monday to Friday nagte-trade or Monday to Sunday, it will all depend sa'yo. And ang kagandahan naman sa ating mga master accounts is napakaganda ng kanyang monthly gain, which means napaka-profitable ng ating copy trading. Ilalagay ko rin sa description ng video na to yung mga links kung saan ka magre-register o mag-create ng account mo. Now, another product na ino-offer ng FCAT is education. So here, meron tayong FCAT Super Course. This one is totally free para sa mga copiers na gustong matuto ng basic manual trading. Kagandahan dito is hindi ka masyadong tatamarin aralin yung Forex dahil you don't have to read anything sa ating course. Meron tayong sariling app wherein you can learn Forex just by watching a video of mine and tunuro ko lang dyan yung mga dapat mong malaman. No unnecessary topics on Forex and direct to the point. This course is also beginner friendly and you can watch every lesson at your own pace at your own time. Ni-reveal ko na rin pala dyan yung mga secret or yung mga hack sa Forex, kung paano ka pwedeng kumita ng mas malaki. Lastly is we have the FCAT affiliate program, wherein here, napakalaki ng potential income na pwede mong kitain. Currently, as of today, we have almost 100 of affiliates sa FCAT earning good and passively. So, if you think you can do this, meron akong YouTube video for this which is ilalagay ko rin sa video na to. Now, if you're interested on one of our services, feel free na i-message si aming FCAT admin. Ito yung aming official Facebook page. Ito rin yung aming official TikTok page. And ito yung aming official YouTube channel. Kung meron ka mga questions, clarifications, or kung ready ka na mag-create ng account para sa iyong copy trading, and kung excited ka na ma-avail yung ating FCAT Super Course or maging part ng FCAT Affiliate Program. This is Coach Rio of FCAT, and I'm looking forward na tulungan kang kumita this 2025.